So, you want to stop letting people re-upload your shorts without credit? Here's the fastest way to add a watermark or a logo to your YouTube Shorts videos to protect your brand. In this tutorial, I'll show you two options: a simple text watermark with your handle or your channel logo. I'll also show you the safe zone placement so the YouTube interface doesn't cover your watermark. For this video, I'm using CapCut. I assume most of you watching and editing YouTube Shorts are also using CapCut, but the steps are pretty much the same for other editors like Premiere Pro or similar software. Let's start by opening the video you want to watermark. First, I'll show you how to add a text watermark with your username or YouTube handle. To do that, all you have to do is select the text tool at the top. After that, I'm going to tap on Add Text, click on this default text, and drag the layer over the video. We're going to stretch it across the whole video because we don't want our watermark to disappear. Now, in the text box on the right side, write out your username. In my case, it's App Tutor. You can then play with the size to make it bigger or smaller. We can also change the font. Most people use the Montserrat font, so I'll add that too. You can also play with the color, but I'll leave it white because I think it looks the best as a watermark. Now, a very important step. Scroll down until you see the opacity option and slide it to the left. Put it at about 60% or 70% because we don't want it at 100%. That can be very distracting. I'm going to set mine to 60%. Another crucial thing is where you place it. I'm going to make it smaller. You don't want to put it at the very bottom or on the right side of the screen because that's where the YouTube Shorts description, your username, and the controls like and comments are located. You want to put it somewhere here near the top or the center. Just avoid the right side and the very bottom. That is how we add a text watermark. If you want to add your logo instead, make sure you have a picture of it on your computer. I'm going to import it into the media section right here. Let's add this just like any other photo in CapCut and make it smaller. Put it at the top, the center, or somewhere in the middle. Just stay away from the bottom and the right. I also suggest using the blend tool to lower the opacity of your logo. We don't want it at 100% as it can ruin the video, so I'll set this to around 40% or 50%. And that's essentially it. That's how you add a watermark or logo to your YouTube Shorts. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more editing and tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.